Hello, boys and girls. Mr. Paust here. So nice to see you. Going to read you a story today about communities geography. Look at this picture. Isn't that beautiful? You see the mountain in the distance? That's Mount Hood. And it's very close to Portland, Oregon, on our west coast. Mount Hood, near Portland, Oregon. The city of Portland is located in northwestern Oregon. Although it is the largest city in the state, Portland has preserved many of its natural areas. On a clear day, Mount Hood can be seen from the city. Phenomenal. Communities geography. Geography, the world is in it, by Walt Whitman. Okay. Very excited about this story today. Describing a place. In Daniel Defoe's story, Robinson Crusoe lands on an island and builds a home there. Before he builds his shelter, Crusoe has to think about the land's geography. Geography is the study of Earth's features. All places on Earth have features or things that are special about them. You can describe a place by telling about its physical features, its land, water, climate, and plant life. Beautiful. The Fitzroy Peaks in Argentina form a part of the Andes Range in South America. We'd like to go there one day. Landforms. Earth is made up of many kinds of places. One way to describe a place is to talk about the landforms, or kind of lands it has. Landforms include mountains, valleys, plateaus, and plains. South America has one of the highest and longest mountain ranges on Earth. These mountains are called the Andes. The United States has many mountain ranges too. The Rocky Mountains in the west are tall and sharply pointed. The Appalachian Mountains in the east are lower and rounded. Here's the Appalachian Mountains begin in Canada and stretch southward into Alabama. Huh. Fast fact. The Andes Mountains stretch along the western coast of Central America and South America from Panama to Chile, covering a distance of 4,500 miles. They form the world's largest continuous chain of mountains. Mount Fitzroy, located in La Gracias National Park in Argentina, is 11,073 feet high. Wow, that is pretty high. Look at this beautiful valley. See that? From the Bitterfoot Trail, a valley stretches to the National Bison Range of mountains in Montana. Valleys are lowlands that lie between mountain ranges. Valleys are often good places for communities because water runs down to them from mountains. Many valleys have very rich soil. They are good places to grow crops. Plateaus are landforms that have steep sides and a flat top. Plains are also flat, but they do not drop off steeply. They may stretch for miles in every direction. This one, you can see the desert, number 1. Number 2, the island. Number 3, the plain. Number 4, the lake. Number 5, the river. Number 6, the peak. There's a peninsula there. There's a valley. There's a hill. There's a mountain. There's a plateau. It's all there. Bodies of water. Earth has many bodies of water. The oceans are the largest. They cover the space between Earth's continents. The continents have many smaller bodies on water. These include lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams. Opaki Falls in Kauai, Hawaii is a feature of the thick rainforest on the island. Been to Hawaii many times. Love it. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at this snowman. I just made one last week. Children have fun making a snow figure in Arkansas. Climate and plant life. Climate and plant life are also physical features. Climate is a pattern of weather a place has over a long period of time. This pattern is affected by how close the place is to the equator and to a larger body of water. Climate includes how hot or cold the temperatures are and how much rain falls. Because the United States is so large, It has many different climates. Deserts are places with very dry climates. Forests grow in places that get much more rain. The hot, dry desert of Arizona is a beautiful place to go hiking. And that's true, and I've been there. Phoenix can go up to 121 degrees Fahrenheit, so you gotta make sure you have a water bottle, the correct supplies to do that. The plant life in a place depends on the climate and the soil. With the right amount of rain and the right temperatures, plants can grow. Without water, the land is bare. Climate also affects how long plants can grow each season. The time in which crops can grow is known as the growing season. In places with long, cold winters, the growing season is short. Where winters are shorter and warmer, the growing seasons are longer. Anyone know the name of that plant? I do. A saguaro cactus can survive in the hot, dry climate of northern Mexico. Saguaro cactus, very cool. Bananas grow well in the hot, moist climate of the Canary Islands off of the coast of Africa. Those look like good bananas. So impressed. And this is a map of the United States of America. Very cool, right? Hope you enjoyed the story today, boys and girls. I was so happy to see you. I'll see you soon.